Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a follow-up review of the MyFirstWig Victoria. This is the version with the bangs. I purchased this wig with my own money. This is an unsponsored video, so whatever you see is pretty much what every other customer will get. I kind of touched on what I was going to do to this wig whenever I did my first review. I did go in and give it another trim. I pretty much just went in with some bleach and added a few chocolate highlights just to create some dimension for these curls and make them pop a little bit better. I like to use the DevaCurl collection, especially the shampoo and conditioner, the No-Poo. It keeps the curls looking really fresh, really soft. I will say that after coloring this hair, it is a little bit drier than it was when I initially unboxed it, but I haven't seen any breakage and it hasn't tangled yet. This wig hasn't shed at all. I've even brushed it after coloring it, after bleaching the knots. There's been virtually no shedding from this wig. And that's a first for me because some of my older wigs, they tend to shed really badly. The other product that I like to use on this wig is the BioSilk Silk Therapy 17 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. It's also a heat protectant. It smells really good. And if you're like me, I absolutely hate the smell of wigs, especially after wearing them for a while or wearing them daily. They kind of just get like a smell about them. And even when you wash them, they still have kind of like a wiggy smell. I still don't glue this wig down when I wear it. It does have the adjustable band inside. If there's anything that I can say about this wig that I don't love right now, it's pretty much just the bangs. As you can see, I have them pinned back and kind of brushed into and blended into the hair. I didn't want to cut too much on them, obviously, because once you cut them, that's it. They're not growing back. Overall, do I still recommend this wig? Do I still love this wig? Absolutely. MyFirstWig has blown me away with the pre-plucked hairline and with how natural it looks. I'm definitely a fan. I recently ordered another wig from MyFirstWig. I believe it's the Alexis. So I'll do a review of that as well and kind of go over all of these details to see if it's comparable, if it's just as good.